This was my view on the way to work. Tell me this does not look straight out of Silent Hill. The fog was literally perfect and was the main inspo for today's nails. And since Silent Hill F just dropped, I wanted to tie all the beautiful visual elements together using the flowers, the fog, and also the eerie blood core aesthetic. So let's get into it. Okay, divas. Can we take a moment to appreciate these claws first? I have been trying this shape for spooky season and honestly I'm like really living for it. I know it's an acquired taste, so I thought it would be perfect for this eerie set. On a personal note, it's been a wild few months for me lately and I've started this new job, which is great, but the commute has literally been consuming me, killing me. And the journey has been like basically 2 hours there and 2 hours back, which is super draining because I have to catch the train. So I've been wanting to upload like so bad and I felt like I was so behind schedule. However, I'm here now and I'm so glad that I finally get to share this creative process with you guys. So let's get into it. I'm going to start off by clipping these nails. They're so chunky. This nail shape was not forgiving. There was so much product on these. I actually had to use industrial pliers to clip them off. And watch what happens when you're not careful like me. Okay, luckily my finger is fine. I wiped it with hydrogen peroxide and this time I'm gonna file around the charms. Then I'm gonna clip it away from myself. I'm gonna file all my nails down where I get to leave a bit of hard gel on my nails to minimize a little bit of damage since I change my sets very frequently. Here I'm using a cuticle pusher and I'm going to be pushing my cuticles back gently. And obviously I'm going to be skipping my index finger because it's already been through enough. Now I'm going to be using my cuticle nippers and just trim away the excess dry skin on my cuticles that I couldn't get off. So here are the claws I'm using. They're actually dual forms. Because this shape is so unique and difficult for me to sculpt, I'm just going to be placing them on a nail stand and make them face upwards. That way I can lay in the gel carefully and then place all the individual flowers and charms or whatever I need. Then I'll cure that. These are the charms and flowers I'm going to be using. This is the palette that shows the colors I'll be using. I actually didn't use all of them. I only used the 2 reds and the jelly blue. Now I'm placing the flowers bordering the nail to frame the design, and because I'm going to be using this method where I adhere them later, this will be see-through enough for the gel to actually penetrate through the design, and then fully cure the gel that adheres it to my nail. Then I'm adding a jelly blue swirl with a touch of red to create a smoky, eerie effect. and I'll replicate this process on all the nails. And honestly, while I was doing this, my mind has been on my art lately, and I'm like in a deep process of figuring out my art style, and it's been super interesting creative period for me lately. I'm trying my best to record as much of my journey as I can, putting my style out there into the world, but you guys, it's like super intimidating. I'm really scared that people would end up disliking my work and just hate it pretty much. But then after thinking about it, and I came across this simple, powerful realization actually, that this at the end of the day is my art. And my main goal is just to make things that would make me happy. That's actually kind of the whole point of my channel, like to use it as a form of an archive, document pretty much my entire journey within nail art. Here I'm using a dehydrator to remove any oils or dirt on my nails and then get them nice and clean. Now I'm priming my nails and using an up and down motion to get into like all the etched grooves from when I filed and buffed my nails. For the base coat, I'm using the Beetles HEMA-free base gel. Here are the nails fully cured. These are sheer enough for me to actually adhere them onto my nail with no curing issues. Now using a gel nail glue, I'm placing a bead on the nail and then adhere it, and I'm going to be using my flash cure lamp to quickly cure them all in place. Once I have them all flash cured in place, I'm gonna go in and fully cure them all for 60 seconds. They look so freaking good. Like, I love the shape. It's so unique. Now I'm going in with a matte top coat. This is because I kind of want to like add more pastels and make it look more worn out and dingy around the edges. These are the pastel colors I'm using. So I'm just gonna like basically brush some random splotches around my nail near my cuticle area. But I think I kind of low-key overdid it, you guys. I'm a little sad about that. But it's whatever, it's not the end of the world. Then I'm sealing all of this in with a really old top coat I don't really care about. I actually use this top coat for this exact reason alone, to seal pretty much any pastels or anything like that. I'm actually running out, you guys. Your girl's giving broke though, so I can't be buying stuff yet. I have to focus on bills and stuff. Ugh, adulting, you know? So these are the charms I'm going to be using. I'm adhering them using my Macart rhinestone glue. I actually made these charms. I pretty much brushed some chrome on some molds, and then I basically added a milky white hard gel on top of that, and then I cured that for 60 seconds. They actually came out so good, no curing issues or anything. For some blood drips, I actually mixed this color. It's a combination of red and hard gels, so I can get like a sheer thick jelly red. And then I used a dotting tool to basically randomly blot it all around my nail. I only focused near the cuticle. Here, I'm going to basically seal all my nails with a top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. These were really hard to kind of paint over because I had to move my fingers all around to get into every single angle. This is the finished look, and I love these. They look so freaking cool. They're like cat claws. Thank you guys so much for watching me and supporting my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye!